Picture a modest remedy resting in a small amber jar on a village healer's shelf for generations. A blend so powerful it was relied upon by emperors and monks to maintain their vigor and mental sharpness deep into old age. This secret did not originate in a lab or a cutting-edge medical center. It was made from only two simple kitchen staples: raw honey and dried cloves. For centuries, this pairing has served as a frontline safeguard in traditional healing systems such as Ayurveda and Unani. It was trusted to support the profound systemic changes that unfold as the body moves past 60. Modern researchers are now examining what's inside that amber jar, and their findings are validating what ancient healers understood long ago.
If you're noticing the quiet signals of slowing down, the ongoing aches, fading recall, or stubborn digestive troubles, this timeless duo may offer a path back to vitality. In just 7 days, this straightforward two-ingredient practice may begin addressing 10 of the most common and frustrating challenges of aging. Why this ancient pair is a modern breakthrough for aging bodies. The brilliance of this combination lies not only in the individual strength of each component, but in their powerful synergy. Raw, unpasteurized honey is much more than a sweetener. It is a living, complex substance. It contains natural enzymes, antioxidants such as flavonoids, and potent antimicrobial compounds. It soothes tissues, supplies the brain with clean fuel, and functions as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial gut bacteria that form the foundation of immunity and mood. Whole cloves, by contrast, are like a concentrated pharmacy in a tiny bud. Their active compound eugenol is among nature's strongest anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents. It operates at the cellular level to calm inflammation, combat pathogens, and enhance circulation. When blended with honey, the impact intensifies. The honey serves as a carrier, improving the absorption and bioavailability of the clove's active compounds. Together, they form a broad-spectrum, gentle yet deeply effective tonic that works from within, targeting root causes instead of simply masking symptoms. The sacred preparation. How to prepare the remedy properly. The preparation itself is a ritual that includes one small but essential step to unlock its full potential. 5 whole, high-quality organic cloves. 1 teaspoon of raw, unpasteurized honey. Manuka honey is outstanding, but local raw honey offers its own immune-supporting properties. Instructions. 1. Place the whole cloves directly into a small, clean glass jar. 2. Pour the raw honey over the cloves, making sure they are fully covered. 3. Seal the jar tightly and allow it to rest at room temperature away from direct sunlight for 12 to 24 hours, ideally overnight. This crucial steeping period enables the honey to draw out the potent oil-soluble eugenol and other compounds from the cloves, creating an infused medicinal honey. 4. In the morning, on a completely empty stomach, remove 1 clove, chew it slowly and thoroughly to release its oils, and swallow it. Follow this by taking a teaspoon of the infused honey. You may use the cloves one at a time, or take 1 per day. 5. Continue this daily for 7 days to experience the first wave of benefits. 10 problems it helps resolve. After 60, the 7-day transformation one, the end of morning stiffness and joint pain. Now, before we explore how this ancient blend can help free you from joint discomfort, I need to share something important. The truth is that 99% of the people watching right now are discovering this powerful secret without being subscribed. If you're over 60 and truly want to move without pain and reclaim an active lifestyle, I need your support. Please take 1 second to press that subscribe button and like this video. It helps this channel grow and allows me to continue sharing these life-changing natural remedies. Let's build this community together. Now, let's discuss your joints. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the main driver behind arthritic pain and stiffness. As you chew the clove, eugenol directly targets inflammatory pathways, specifically COX-2 enzymes, acting like a natural, gentle ibuprofen. The honey supplies antioxidants that further reduce oxidative stress within the joints. What to expect? By days 3 to 5, many people notice a clear reduction in morning stiffness, particularly in the fingers, knees, and hips. Movement feels smooth again, not a painful negotiation. 2. A strengthened immune system that pushes back. As we age, the immune response can slow. Cloves have demonstrated antiviral and antibacterial effects, while raw honey is a well-known antimicrobial that also nourishes the gut microbiome, where 70% of the immune system resides. What to expect? You may find yourself recovering from common colds more quickly or avoiding them altogether. This blend acts as a daily shield, especially during seasonal transitions. 3. Balanced blood pressure through more relaxed vessels. Elevated blood pressure often results from stiff, inflamed arteries. Eugenol is a natural vasodilator. It helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation and easing pressure. Honey helps steady blood sugar spikes, which can indirectly strain the cardiovascular system.
What to expect? Smoother, more consistent blood pressure readings and a sense of calm circulation rather than pounding or tension. 4. A digestive system that runs like clockwork. Slow digestion and bloating are frequent complaints. Cloves are carminative, meaning they reduce gas formation and relieve cramping by relaxing intestinal muscles. They also stimulate the release of digestive enzymes. Honey coats and calms the stomach lining. What to expect? More regular and comfortable bowel movements, a noticeable drop in post-meal bloating and gas, and a lighter feeling in the abdomen.
5. Relief from toothaches and healthier gums. Long used in dentistry for its numbing properties, eugenol makes clove oil a classic remedy for tooth pain. Chewing the infused clove allows this compound to act directly on tender gums or sensitive teeth. Honey's antibacterial effect fights the pathogens responsible for plaque and gum disease. What to expect? Stronger, healthier gums, reduced sensitivity, and a natural, clean sense of oral freshness that lingers. 6. Deep, uninterrupted sleep without the 3 a.m. awakening. Nighttime wake-ups are often tied to cortisol spikes or inflammation. The mixture's systemic anti-inflammatory action helps calm the nervous system. Taking a teaspoon of the infused honey without a clove about an hour before bed may support stable blood sugar overnight, preventing stress-related awakenings. What to expect? Falling asleep more easily and remaining asleep through the night, waking up genuinely refreshed. 7. Sharper memory and fading brain fog. The brain depends on a steady flow of glucose and oxygen. Honey offers a clean, immediate source of energy for cognitive performance, while improved circulation from cloves ensures more oxygen-rich blood reaches the brain. The anti-inflammatory action also safeguards delicate neural tissue. What to expect? Clearer thinking, stronger recall, improved concentration, and relief from the frustrating mental fog. 8. Resilient digestion even after heavy meals. Rich, large, or heavy meals can overwhelm an older digestive system. Taking this blend 30 minutes before a substantial meal prepares the gut. Cloves increase enzyme production, and honey conditions the stomach lining. What to expect? The end of that heavy, uncomfortable sensation after eating. Meals digest smoothly without reflux, heartburn, or lingering fullness. 9. Balanced hormones for energy and mood. Aging influences hormone production in both men and women. Cloves have been shown to help modulate key hormones, while the nutrients in raw honey support endocrine glands such as the adrenals that produce them. What to expect? A noticeable rise in natural energy, a steadier mood, and an improved overall sense of well-being and vitality. 10. Support for your hard-working liver and kidneys. These critical detox organs spend a lifetime filtering toxins. Cloves enhance detoxification enzyme activity in the liver, helping it process waste more effectively. The antioxidants in both ingredients lessen oxidative stress that burdens the liver and kidneys. What to expect? A sensation of internal clarity, more energy as the body is not weighed down by toxins, and healthier-looking skin as your filtration systems receive support. Maximizing your results. Crucial tips. Quality is essential. Use only raw, unpasteurized honey and whole organic cloves. Processed honey is simply sugar and lacks healing properties. Consistency. Outperforms. Intensity. 1 clove daily for 7 days is far more effective than consuming several at once. The cyclical method. After completing your first 7-day cycle, take a 7-day break to allow your body to adapt to the changes. You can then restart for maintenance. Listen to your body. If you have a very sensitive stomach, begin with half a clove. If you are taking blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor due to cloves' mild anticoagulant effect. Conclusion. Your invitation to an ancient experiment. This is not just folklore. It is a time-tested, biologically grounded approach to wellness that harnesses nature's profound intelligence. For anyone over 60 who feels their body quietly or loudly signaling its needs, this 7-day trial with honey and cloves is a safe, accessible, and remarkably powerful first step. It requires little more than a brief moment each morning, yet the return could transform your daily experience of life. If you're ready to explore the strength of nature's oldest pharmacy and reshape your health from within, join our community. Press that like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. We are committed to uncovering and sharing the most effective natural strategies to help you thrive in your 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. Your path to vibrant aging begins with a single clove and a spoonful of honey.